The smell is crazy. The smell nearly choked me. Nah. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys some new products that I'm trying out for the first time. Some of them I got in PR and some others I got from Sephora Canada. Disclaimer, this is just a first impression. It's not a full review. So I'm sure there are so many other things that could impact a full review, but I just want to let you know, like, hands-on, how do I feel about this purchase? Is it a miss, or is it a keep, or is it a try again? So let me show you everything I'll be using today. The danessa myricks Yummy Skin in the shade 9.5. I hope it's my shade. We'll see. House of Labs by Lady Gaga foundation. I got this in the shade 520 Deep Cool. I got this one size oil sucker from Sephora as well, and Laura Mercier. So I want to actually try using setting powder that is a lot closer to my skin tone. So normally I would use a setting powder that is a bit yellow, as opposed to like setting powder that's like my skin tone. So I want to try setting powder that's my skin tone and see how that goes. And so that's it for the products that I got from Sephora Canada. Now I'm going to just be showing you guys the products I got in PR that I have never tried before. So there's this Tahila palette. It's a cream blush palette and it has like a nice bronzer in it. I like the packaging, it's very catchy. Series City's multi-use eyeshadow from Dabota Cosmetics. Cindy's Beauty Line Warm Juvia's Place. It's an eyeshadow palette. Desert Sand Face palette is a powder palette, a powder and blush palette. Bronzy by Glam. It's a bronzer palette. Made by Michelle Curve Case. It's a blush, bronzer and glow palette, and it comes with a brush inside. Moisture Boost from Skin by Zaron. I'm just going to use that to just boost the moisture. Tahila Cosmetics Airbrush Primer. Flawless Ivy Cosmetics Ultra Matte Waterproof Finishing Spray. I've actually used a lot of Wing Beauty lashes. This is beautified and I've never used this style before. BM Pro Blending Balm. Of course it has to be the balm. It's from BM Pro, duh. And for every product that I didn't show you, like concealer, eyebrow, lippies, I'm going to be using old products because everything I showed you here are products I've never tried before. Let's get into it. So I'm just going to use some more of this Moisture Boost. A friend of mine, the owner of Laviana Skincare, said you can never get enough moisture. I'm going in with Tahila Cosmetics Airbrush Primer. I've never actually seen a spray primer. Primers are usually cream based or liquid. Here goes Airbrush Primer. So I can see that haze on my face and I don't know if I'm supposed to like let it dry down or I'll just tap it. I'm not sure that's what I'm supposed to do, but I'll just tap it though. So for this oil sucker primer, I haven't really heard a lot of good reviews about it. I hear it really dries out the skin, so it's probably for like people with like very oily skin. But I even almost have a dry skin, but I actually get like really oily around my nose, and so I'm just going to be very careful with this, very careful. So like a little bit would go a long way. I'm just gonna tap this first and then just tap around. Wow, look how that just mats out almost immediately. Do you see that? This danessa myricks Yummy Skin Blurring Balm Powder is probably the most viral makeup product right now. I got the blurring balm powder in the shade 9.5. Ta-da! Maybe I'm just gonna blend that into my skin. The smell is crazy. The smell nearly choked me. Nah. So that's number one, the way it smells. Then number two is, what exactly is this thing supposed to be doing? Because it's not a foundation, right? If there's anything I like about it, it's probably that it's lightweight. It doesn't feel heavy. It doesn't look heavy. Let me see if it actually does anything for my scar. I think it also blurs my scar. That's good. I may have found something I really like. if I can get used to the way it smells. This could be like my go-to makeup every day. Like I could just wear this and go. Danessa, this is so gorgeous. I love it. Next up is the House Lab by Lady Gaga foundation. Okay, I got it in the shade 520 Deep Cool. I think it matches well. It's just a tad bit too dark. Okay, so this is the BM Pro Beauty Blender, and my goodness, it is so soft. So far, this is lightweight. I literally can't see my scar anymore. That's good coverage. I can't feel the weight on my face, and that's what I'm always looking out for, you know. Like when I buy a foundation, the first thing I check is, how does it feel when I wear it? If it's heavy, I don't care what magic it performs, I'm not buying it. So it's not heavy, and that's like a plus. So I don't have a new concealer, so I'm just gonna go in with my usual Born This Way concealer, and then I'm just gonna go in with my regular Fenty contour stick in the shade Caviar. This curve case made by Michelle Curve case, it actually has the middle one, Blend and Snatch, is actually like a contour shade. Let me show you. This is how it comes with like a brush. It has a brush. I like the brand's packaging. It's very playful, and you know, I would appreciate any brand that gives me a free brush, so I appreciate them. The brush is so cute. Okay, ta-da! This middle part is actually really dark, and I think that would do the blending for me. This would be my contour shade anytime. And I also like that it has like a warm bronzer vibe to it. Like it's not as dark as my Caviar by Fenty. So I'm just gonna blend out my concealer. Sometimes you need to just like leave your old products alone for a bit and just try something new. It's gonna blend. Guys, just look at this. Like the product is already sitting so well. I'm just gonna brighten my under eye a bit, and while that is marinating, I'm just gonna go in with my blush. So I'm thinking that since we already took something from the Curve Case palette, let's try something from the Rosy Cheeks palette. Wow, I love the names. Choi. Ouch. It choke. Oh my. Who they breathe. This is so funny. I like the names though. So I'm gonna be using Oh My and just it's not actually very creamy. Maybe it's going to be better applied with a beauty blender, not a brush. So it's taking a lot of effort. But, well, it is pigmented, so we can hold on to that. Everything is sitting nicely, to be honest. I love it. So this is Tahila Cosmetics setting powder in the shade Brown Stone. So I'm just going to use that to set my under eye. I actually like this shade of setting powder. It's nice, and it's full coverage as well. Okay, so now this is my bronzer palette, and it's from Glam Beauty. The colors are so bronzy, like, you know, I'm definitely using these two colors, deep and deep dark. Okay, so I'm going to start with deep dark. I'm just going to use it to like really contour my cheek, so it's doing depth and warmth at the same time. I love it. And I'm just going to use deep to just, you know, lightly contour my nose. Texture top notch, blending, pigmentation, everything about this bronzer palette is game. Just gonna go in with this Sing This Beauty Line Cheek palette. The colors are actually very vibrant, and I'm going to go with the pinkish shade, and it is pigmented. I'm just gonna blend that all over my cheek into my contour. These days we just go ham on blush. We never know when it's enough. Like blush blindness. Everything is just sitting so nicely. I love it. Now we're going in with the Desert Sands powder palette from Lujo Beauty, and I'm just going to use the shade Deep Coffee. Deep Coffee is a bit too dark, so I'm just going to mix Earth and Deep Coffee. That's some pigment though. Like, so I'm noticing something weird around like my nose area. Okay, so I'm just gonna brush my eyebrows up with the best brow pencil ever, Belle's Beauty brow pencil. Draws the most natural brows. Like, you don't have to worry about, oh, my brows are gonna be so dark, I need to be so careful. It just draws natural brows, guys. Like, just look at it. Gorgeous. Like, no matter what brow pencil I use, I always rush back to this. It's so natural. Like, just look at my brows, and you don't have to do too much. Just, you get me. No matter what brow pencil I use, I always rush back to this. It's so natural. Like, look at those brows. I'm just gonna sleek my brows, just using the NYX brow gel to just hold that in place. Let's clean out the brows. Cute. Okay, so I'm just gonna use the concealer as my eyeshadow primer. I'm just gonna set my whole eye with setting powder. So I'm using my setting powder like a feeler right now to just feel like the crease. So you see, it brings out my eyes. So I'm going to be trying these two eyeshadow palettes. This one is the Nudes by Juvia's, and this is City Series by Dabota Cosmetics. It has the states in Nigeria: Lagos, Ibadan, Onitsha, Sokoto, Kano. Nudes by Juvia's, like so nude. Okay, so I'm going to place like a dark brown and just blend it out. Nothing too dramatic, to be honest. Just pulling it up to my hairline. Just gonna intensify the contour of my nose right here. From the City Series, I'm picking Onitsha, and I'm just going to like go over it. Then I'm just gonna use a small brush to pick Port Harcourt. Port Harcourt is in the City Series. Okay, I'm just gonna darken the outer corner a bit, so I'm going in with Kano, pulling that into my hairline. Gorgeous. So I'm just gonna line my eyes like real slim, nothing too dramatic. Line my waterline as well. I'm just gonna take off any excess eyeshadow from my lashes. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go in with my wing lashes in the Style Beautified. I love the lashes. I'm just going to overline. I'm going to go in with the cuff case, and I will use Penny from Heaven. I'm just going to pick that with my beauty blender and just dab that to the high point of my cheek. Okay, add some mascara to my bottom lashes. I love how everything is looking. This makeup is gorgeous. So now I'm just going to finish off my makeup with the Flawless IV Stay On Waterproof Finishing Spray. Snatched. Okay, this is the finished look. Let me come closer so you can really see everything. I really love how everything came out. Every single product lived up to the promise. I love the blurring balm so much, the airbrush primer as well. I like the foundation. I feel like it was different from my NARS foundation. It didn't give me anything my NARS wasn't giving me, but I'm also really excited to try something else because I've been using NARS for like 7 years, so I think I'm due to actually try something else. Oh, I love the shade of the Tehila Cosmetics setting powder. It's so nice. Like, it's so black skin girl appropriate. I love it. I really love the BM Pro Beauty Blender. It is so soft and so nice. I love it. Oh, I really enjoyed filming this look. But you guys should let me know, have you tried any of these products, and do you have any complaints, or would you recommend any of the products? Let me know in the comment section. Overall, I really enjoyed trying out this new product. So guys, please like my video. I'm new here and it would be nice to actually grow, because I'm so interested in teaching beginners how to do flawless pro makeup. For more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you guys in my next video. Ciao.